Good evening. Welcome to your speaking test. Today we are going to talk about YouTube. I will ask you some questions about this topic. After that, you will speak for 1 or 2 minutes about YouTube. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's begin. Do you watch YouTube every day?
Yes, I watch YouTube almost every single day, especially in the evening.
What kind of video do you like to watch on YouTube?
I like to watch cooking videos, music videos, and English lessons.
Do you have a favorite YouTube channel? What is it?
My favorite YouTube channel is English Class 101.
Do you think YouTube is better than watching TV twice?
Yes, I think YouTube is better than watching TV because you can choose what you want to watch.
Have you ever learned something useful from YouTube? What was it?
Yes, I learned how to cook egg fried rice from a YouTube video.
How much time do you usually spend on YouTube?
I usually spend 1 to 2 hours a day watching YouTube video.
Can children use YouTube safely? Why or why not?
Children can use YouTube safely with help from their parents and YouTube Kids.
Would you like to make your own YouTube video one day?
Yes, I would like to make video about my life or about learning English.
Do you think YouTube is good for education? Why?
Yes, I think YouTube is good for education because there are many free lessons and tutorials.
Now I would like you to speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Here is your topic. Describe how people use YouTube in their daily lives. What do they watch and why do they enjoy it? You can talk about what YouTube is, how often you or others use it, what kind of video people watch, why it is useful or entertaining, your personal experience or opinion. Take a few seconds to think and start when you are ready.
Yes, I'm ready. YouTube is a popular website where people watch video for free. Many people use YouTube every day to learn new things, relax or have fun. On YouTube, you can find videos about cooking, music, sports, education, and more. I watch English lessons on YouTube to help me speak better. I also watch travel videos and learn about other countries. I think YouTube is very useful because you can learn anything you want. It is also easy to use on a phone or computer. I enjoy using YouTube every day because it helps me learn and makes me happy. That's all.
Thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test. You did a good job today. Keep practicing and improve your English.